everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. Today, our topic is how to create your OEM app. My name is Alicia Shi, and I'm the project manager from Asia Pacific area. Nice to meet you guys. Okay. Here is the content list of today's topic. Firstly, I will introduce on what is OEM app, and then I will show you something on how to have your own OEM app. On the whole process, configurable sections, necessary configurations, and the demo demonstration. As the last, I will show you where to ask for help when you're building your app. Okay, for the first part, what is OEM app? As you can see from the left chart, there are two app icons on top. These two apps are Tuya Smart and Smart Life, developed by Tuya team to connect the two smart products. OEM app is to reskin these two apps, but keep all the basic functions. Besides of OEM app, we also have app customization and app SDK solutions. We would have app customization session at next session, and also SDK part in following. Okay, so what is OEM app? As you can see, it's a development-free solution for brand clients, but it would keep general functions for smart products. So, why choose OEM app? As you see, it's easy operation to build an application. You don't need a team to work on the coding. And also, for the configurations, it takes short time. So to build your app takes shorter development cycle. Also, we would share the basic functions of smart app, so you would have richer functionality for smart home. Next, let's see how to develop your OEM app. First of all, you need to sign up onto your IoT platform. I think I have introduced an IoT platform 2 weeks ago, and you should be familiar with it now. And the first step is to create the app if you don't have any app yet. If you already built one, you can create new versions upon that too. And then you can do personal configurations, and then build and get APK and IBA file. After this, you can scan the QR code to download the app to your phone and test until you are satisfied. Then you're ready to submit the app to App Store. You can submit to iOS Store or Google Play. Okay, then let's see how to develop your OEM app on the configurable parts. Firstly, as I introduced, OEM app is to reskin the app from Tuya Smart. So let's see what we can change on the skin. So first of all, as you can see from this picture, this is app icon on how to show on the phone. You can have this to your own brand. Besides of that, we can also change tab icons here and the profile image here. And also, when there is no device added, there will be a pic here. You can change it too. And as you can see from this app, the same color is green. You can also choose orange, red, to whatever color you like. Besides of this, you can also change the startup image and the background when logged in. Let's check it out on IoT platform. Okay, firstly, go to App Service part and create a new app. Okay, here I want to show you, if you input more than 11 characters, you would find some dots on the form. it's not friendly to your end users. So remember to keep a short name. So an input, the package name, sorry. So input the package name and bundle ID. These two are the identifications of your app in App Store. Click OK. Oh, you can see there is an error message. The iOS app package name already exists, so someone else must use this package name, so you can't use it anymore. Okay, then it should be fine. Okay, let's check out what can be reskinned. Firstly, the app icon. You can change the logo. Okay, my company is Alicia Smart, so I will put Alicia Smart here. And you can have a preview at this page. Remember to upload the image according to the requirement here on the dimensions, format, and size. Next, this is the startup page. If you don't upload any image, it will take the logo. But also, you can upload the startup image here. Before, we can only upload the image step by step to different sizes, but now we can click once to upload. But you remember to choose the biggest size. This size is the biggest one. To here, okay. So I changed to all of them. And next is a color theme. You can change whatever color from the color list or custom the color. I'll choose orange. Okay, so this is the basic configurations for the app skin. Besides of that, you can also set up the tab icon. The tab icon is My Home, Smart, Me. And you need to upload 2 sets of the tab icon because when you click on it, it's activated. But when you not click on it, it's gray. And you can also change the theme here, theme's color here. And then it's a sign up background. You can also change it. And for the logo, it will follow the logo you uploaded before, but you can also change it here too. I'll just remove smart and upload. For all of the images, take carefully on the dimensions and format. Okay, confirm. So as you can see that these pictures are ugly, but these are brand new app now. Besides of this, you can have more functions here, expansion settings, to change the no device image and the profile. Yeah, and oh, no slide. So that's all for the skin part.
Cute smile.
Really, thank you. Okay, that's all for the skin part. So I will just build it now and let's go to the function part. Yeah. Okay, next, let's see what we can configure on the app function. Okay, from Tuya Smart or Smart Life, you can see that there are a lot of functions like scenario or weather dashboard. The weather dashboard, the weather comes from the third party dark sky. and also QR scan function and gesture password, etc. But if you don't like any of these functions, you can disable it on your app. Besides of that, you can add functions too. You can enable your end customers to log in with Facebook, and also you can buy widget, Siri, and Alexa service from our value-added service. We will have a separate session for value-added service too. Okay, next is the product category. Okay, from the left, there are two pictures. This picture comes from Tuya Smart. This picture comes from my app. As from the Tuya Smart, you can see there are two levels of the product list. Top levels, you can see the categories, and then under each category, there are devices listed. But for my app, I only show 4 devices here. It's only one level because my shop only sells these 4. I only want my customer to see these 4. And also, you can change the pairing instructions. Tuya provides a common menu for the pairing instruction, but you can have your own text or your own pictures here too. Also, we enable you to change the reset device instruction. Let's check it out. Okay, because the building takes time, so I'll just go to some built one. Okay. Firstly, I'll show you where to enable and disable the functions from expansion settings. Here, you can see that we can support or not support any functions. For example, if you only have Wi-Fi products, you don't want Bluetooth, then it's fine. Click not supported. Like here on the preview, it shows the difference when it's supported or not. And also, if you don't want the dashboard weather, you cannot support it. So there's no weather information shown in first page. This is raining. Okay, the function parts are listed here. Okay, and also let's see the product part. For the product part, you need to click on the app and enter into the version page here. So there is network distribution function part. So here is where you can edit your product list. We have different options here. For standard category, it means that you will copy all of the product list from Tuya Smart. There will be a lot of devices. And we also provide you to customize custom categories as well. There are 2 selections. You can either choose one like I did, or choose 2 levels. It's similar like Tuya Smart. I'll show you for level 1 category mode. And for the product, you can also choose from 2 sources, either to create a standard category. This category comes from Tuya Smart, so just click one and add it to your list. It's fine. Also, you can create a custom category. So what is custom category? Firstly, you need to create product at product sections. We will also have a separate sessions for product introduction too. And you create a custom category here. Choose any product you want to put in your product list. If I want to put a security camera, so I'll put it here. Okay, then you can see the difference. between from the standard category or from the custom category. For standard category, it's not allow you to configure the text, or you cannot change the icons, the names. But for custom category, see, you can set up the instructions. Here is a preview. You can change the pairing instructions here, and also here is the image to show when your device is entering into pairing mode, and also the button. And when you click resetting devices, there will be help menu too. You can change them here. So, as you can see, these are all simple configurations, but after all of this done, you would have your own special product list. Okay, that's for the network distribution. Next, let's talk about Q&A parts. Because on each app, we would have FAQ and feedback to help the end users to use your app. So here is entrance for FAQ and feedback. For OEM app, we allow you to copy the library from Tuya Smart, but edit it to your own library. Let's check it out. Click Operation and Knowledge Base. So you can create My App Knowledge Base. Enter the name, choose the app you want to bounding. And okay. So it takes some time to synchronize the library. I just show you the one I created before. So before, if you have attended the sessions for IoT platform, customers asked if we can modify the FAQ base by batch. Now it's available. See, click batch operation. You can export all of the knowledge base and edit it, then import it. It's much more friendly than before. Okay, that's for the FAQ. And also, as I introduced it before, if you have the app under your IoT platform, you will have all your user feedback. It's the same place at operation and feedback. You can communicate with your end users here. Okay. Next is App Stream. For OEM app, we support different languages, but if you find any languages not meet your requirement, you can ask your project manager for help. We provide 2 cases. So when you want to modify a lot of the words, you can ask the project manager to provide full string list. So you can do the translation and send it back. Our project manager will import the list at back end, so you can review and test. Also, there's only some words you want to change, so just provide the target translation and also the screenshot to our project manager. They will change it for you so you can review and test. Okay, let's see what else can be configured. Privacy policy and service agreements are necessary if you want to submit your app to App Store. Always remember to check this because they are related to law. And also, because for iOS, the map comes from the iOS system, but for Android app, you will need to configure Google Map key to enable you to locate from the app. And after all of the tests are done and you are satisfied with your app, You can have push certifications, app certifications from IoT platform too. Let's check it out. So again, app service, go to the version page. So here is the protocols. English is needed, and you can have some templates from the above downloads for different languages, and also same for user agreements. And also before, we have to create certificates step by step from Apple developer or Google developer. But now we provide one click to generate the certificates. Just enter app ID, password, teamword here, click, and you will have all the certificates done. Same for Android certificates. These two are necessary if you want to submit your app to App Store. And also, let's check where to configure this app. The map, sorry. So here is a function list. On top, you can see this is for Android map configuration. A map is used only in mainland China, and the Google Map is used all around the world. So follow the simple instructions here. You can have your map key and input it here. So all of the function configurations done. Okay, you can build one now. So privacy policy and user service agreement and map and push certificates are necessary if we want to go to the next step to launch your app to App Store. Okay, these are almost all the functions for OEM app, but I want also to show you the other item, the app updates. Because Tuya puts a lot of effort in improving our apps, and we also share the updates to OEM app. So you can see all the updates from our documents. Like this is now the latest version. If you like any of the functions, you can update your app together with Tuya app. Okay,